Ambassador Vishnu Prakash, I only want to understand that everybody wants peace. But nobody, and I'm sure nobody in our country, wants Pakistan to hit us once again and then realize that this is yet another false start, because we end up losing lives. We end up losing many lives. Is Pakistan suing for peace at this point of time? If it is, because this could well be another bogey because of all the internal troubles and Afghanistan and of course China bearing down Pakistan's neck and another IMF loan. They are so hemmed in, they're thinking, let's sort out one border, even if it's temporarily.
Okay, Gaurav, let us pose a couple of questions. Are we weaker than before? No, we are stronger than before. Are we naive? No, we are not naive. Do we trust Pakistan, or does Pakistan trust us? No. Can there be a repeat of, can this be a false start? Yes. But my simple point is, let us give peace a chance. I would rather give peace a chance 50 times than dismiss out of hand. You know, and Pakistan certainly has problems.
No, but why not let Pakistan take action against terror first? Instead of Pakistan saying, let India create a conducive environment in Kashmir, why not Pakistan create a conducive environment?
Let them say that.
You know, for talks.
Let them say that. You know, everything is contingent upon peace. They also know that. We also know that. If we see the peace holding, then we take a step, and baby steps will have to be taken, Gaurav. Neither side will have to have the ability to overnight change the narrative. Baby steps. And that is the way to move forward. Dramatic steps will fail.
Sir, you know, I'm skeptical because I have reported, and you have been there in the Ministry of External Affairs when baby steps for peace were being taken. And Pakistan, you know, when baby steps for peace were being taken, when Musharraf promised that Pakistani territory will not be used for terror attacks in India, and then we had a terror attack in 2006, we lost 200 people. Then again we were moving towards the mountain of peace. When there was 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, we lost 166 people. Again we were taking baby steps in making Siachen that mountain of peace. More terror attacks were taking place at German Bakery, Pune. The terror attacks were taking place elsewhere. They've attacked our parliament. They've attacked J&K Assembly.
Absolutely.
They haven't dismantled the terror infrastructure. General Gurmeet Singh, that is why. Why shouldn't Pakistan take the first step? Of course, Ambassador.
Just one sentence.
Yes, sir.
You know, I am completely with you. My blood boils as much as your blood boils. My only contention is that between two incidents, God forbid, if there is a patch of peace, let us embrace that. We know we have an adversary. But if we can lower the tensions even for 10 days, I think we have done something.
Sir, I'm with you on that.